Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about the prefix suffix, okay, and even what is the root verb, what is the affix also. We already completed this session, but again today's class we are taking it revision. Okay, let's see here. So first we have to see the prefix suffix. So you know that prefix means what? Yes, suffix means what, and even root word. Root word is called as base word without adding prefix or suffix. So here root word or base word, they are same. Okay, so the basic words. See here, if you add an affix to a root word or base word, you change the meaning of the word. Like here, see, base word is cook. Okay, COOK, cook. It is a base word. Now if you add affix means what? You can use ed. Okay, so cooked, it should become a cooked. And affix are words part that change the meaning of the root or a base word. So prefix means what? We are using it before the word, and we are adding this suffix after the or end of the word. So those both are affixes. See here, un this here cook plus ed, uncooked. So here ed also is affix, here un is also affix. So here prefix and suffix, which are they, we are adding to the word, it is called as also affix. So prefix, you know that prefix are words or parts that comes at the beginning of the root word. Okay, beginning of the root word or beginning of the base word. So here our base word is cook. Okay, so we added uncooked. Okay, uncooked is a, and here it what it is, prefix. So it now it changed, new word you got. Okay, uncooked. Next here suffix, you know, suffixes are words or parts of the suffix that comes at the end of the root word or the base word. Yes, so at the end of the word we are adding these suffixes. So which is suffix here? See here cook is base word plus ed is cooked. Okay, so here we use uncooked because un is prefix, then here base word cook and ed is suffix. So you can add both also, suffix also, prefix also to the word. Okay, now you are clear. Now we have some examples of the prefix with its meaning. So first prefix is I am. Okay, I am means what? We are using, what is the meaning of I am? I am means not. If we added this I am in front of the word or before the word, it is meaning of that not. So like here, see, here possible is base word, we added a im. So what is mean? Impossible means it is not possible. Then here polite, impolite, this is also, see, negative word, like not. Polite, he is not a polite. So im, I am im, we are using as a prefix here. See here, like that examples are iron, in means what is the meaning? It is also not. Meaning is there, not. Invisible or infamous. Next prefix is none, non, none. None means also not. So we can add here examples here, non-stop, non-stick. Okay, means not. What is the meaning of that? Not. Next see dis, dis means also not. So we can use these examples here, disorganized or disobey. Okay, is not obeying means not. Next prefix miss. So miss means what? Meaning of this miss is wrong. So here misread or misspell. Okay. Next here un means also not. So words are unlucky or unbelievable. Over means what? Too much. Over is prefix here, too much. So we can use the example overcooked or over dramatic. See here under is also prefix, which is mean by beneath or under. So we can use this examples here, underwear or underwater. Prefix C, re. Okay, re is a prefix here. What is mean by the? Yes, to do again. Okay, once again we have to do. So for that we are using re. So what is the mean? See, examples are there. recycle or recount once again. Okay, to do again. Next one, see which one prefix? Pre. Pre means what? Before. So we can use this word. See the example here. Pre word is there. Yes, pre is prefix here. So here examples are there. Preview or preschool. Next example. See here. SUB, sub. Sub means what? Meaning is there under. So you can say that subordinate or submarine. Next, see. Super. Super means what is the mean by that? Above or over. So super human or supermarket. Inner. Inter is a prefix. What is mean by inter? Between. So you can use this word interstate or intervene. See. FORE, for. So for means before. So forecast or foresee. Again one prefix is there, D. Okay, D means down or away. So descend or degrade. Next prefix, trans. Trans means what? To move. So you can use this transfer or transportation. Next, semi. Semi means what? Incomplete or half. So you can say that semicircle, semi-formal. These are the example. Okay, we added here prefix, see, semi. Again one prefix is there, mid. Mid means what? In the middle. So example is midpoint. Means MID. It is prefix here. Next, hemi. Hemi means what? Half. So here you can say that hemisphere. One more prefix, pro. Pro means what? For or forward. So example, promotion or protest. See here, con. CON, con is also prefix. What is mean by that? You can say that with or together. So here example, connect or confide. See here, com. Com means what? Together. So community or communicate. Now again, X, EX, X. X means out of or from. So you can say the example, see, exit or exile. See here, co. Co means together. So co-pilot or cooperate. Even multi. Multi is also prefix. Multi means many. Multicolored or multivitamin. Poly. Poly means many. So your polygon. That is also example of prefix. Here poly you use. Okay, so prefix uni. Uni means only one. So you can say that unicycle or universal. So uni is a prefix here. Quad. What is mean by quad? 4. Okay, so here quadrilateral. Got it? Means 4 sides are there. Tri. Tri is also prefix. So tri means 3. So this is tricycle. Okay, it means what? 3. See, 3 wheels are there. Or even trimester. Milli. Milli means what? 1000. So million or millipede. This is also prefix. Here see one more. Centi. Centi means what? 100. So you can use the word century or centimeter. That is 100. Now examples of the suffix. Suffix are used last or end of the word. So see here, ER. ER means what? One who takes part in. So here, teacher, ER. Okay, teach is a base word. We are using here ER, that is teacher. Drive. Drive is base word. ER, driver. Next. Suffix EST. Okay, EST means what? The most. So small is a base word. EST, smallest. So means the most smallest. Strong, strongest. ED. ED means what? To have done. So here play is a base word. Now played. Now see here race. Race is base word. Here ed used. Raced. Suffix ing means to be doing. So sing. Sing is a base word. Ing, singing. Dance, dancing. Suffix ly. Okay, means ly means like. So we can use this word happy, happily. Even cowardly. Okay, cowardly means what? Is a one more suffix is there, able or able. So to be able to, what is mean? To be able to. So readable or cleanable. Here suffix ness, NESS means the state of happiness or craziness. Okay, more suffix is there, that is ment, meant means the feeling of. So contentment or refreshment. Here see, OUS, IOUS or EOUS. These are also suffixes. Means what is the mean? Having the quality of. So adventurous or curious. So he is having the quality. Curious, he is curious. So here these are suffixes. OUS, IOUS or EOUS. Next one see, IVE, ATIVE and even TIV. This is for condition. What is the mean for condition? So here creative, creative, sensitive. Okay, sensitive means these are the suffixes used here. Okay, so last one is there, full. Full means what is the mean? To be full of. So you can use these examples, that is thankful or peaceful. Peace is a base word and here thank is also base word. So you use full suffix here. Here also full. So peaceful. So these are all about prefixes and suffixes. Hope you all understood. So you have to write down 5 suffixes and 5 prefixes and you have to send it to WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.